G, and I am going to be going over this problem. Here we have the length of days of certain animal or pregnancy are approximately, the mean is 217 days, and they give us a standard deviation. What is the probability that a randomly selected pregnancy lasts less than 212 days? So what we want to do is come over here, open Stat Crunch. We just click on that, and I've got it open. And then I'll bring it over here. And then we are going to be looking at the normal distribution. So we go into Stat, and then Calculators, and then Normal. And then it brings this up, and then our mean is 217. And our standard deviation is 15, so I click that. And then I'm going to compute, oops, let me see, I think it was for 212 days, okay. So let's go ahead and put that in, and then we get the probability of that happening is this 0.3694 and so on. So let me go ahead and answer that, round to 4 decimal places. So we've got 0.396, then 44, so I'll just put 0.3964, check answer. Oh, I put it in wrong, 0.3694. Okay, that looks better. And then what is the probability that a random sample of 16 pregnancies has a mean gestation period of 212 or less? So here I need to take the standard deviation, which is 15, and divide that by the square root of 16, the sample. So 15, I do this in my calculator, divided by the square root of 16. Well, the square root of 16 is 4, so it's just 15 divided by 4. And then I'm coming up with 3.75. So I'm going to put that in instead of the 15 for the standard deviation, 3.75. And then everything else stays the same. The mean is the same, and so is the number of days in the pregnancy. So then I get 0.0912. Okay, and that looks good. And then what is the probability that a random sample of 56 pregnancies has a mean gestation period of 212 days or less? So again, we're going to take the standard deviation, which is 15, and divide it by the square root of 56. And that's not as nice of a number. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do that in my calculator. Oops. I'm trying to clear something out. So, okay. So take 15 and divide it by square root of 56, and then I'm coming up with 2.00446. so I'm going to put that in for my new sample standard deviation, and I'm not going to round here. I'm going to just put it in as is and then compute it. And then here that probability is 0.0063, so not very likely. Okay, and that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful, and please email me if you have any questions at all. Have a great day.